Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha at CBD Health Oil, and I got a picture of the new one, .net. This is the old tea, well, the original tea. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of all three of the instant teas. TLC has 3 instant teas. I don't have this yet because this is a very new product. So if you're just seeing this video, this is a new product, literally just came out 2 days ago. So I just ordered a couple of bags. So I have this coming. I just don't have the physical one yet. That's why it's on a white piece of paper. Next video I probably do. I'll have it, but I still want to do a review. So TLC has the original tea. TLC had this original tea, which was in a green bag, okay? It had a green bag and it wasn't purple, right? Purple's for royalty, green's for money, green's for land and all that stuff, right? So TLC changed it. This is the original tea. This is the original tea, guys, that helped me lose over 50 pounds. This is the original tea. Before, I had like the extra neck shit going on. Thank God for this tea, right? This is the original tea, okay? The only thing with this tea is that you have to boil it and you have to let it sit for 8 hours, and then you have to put it in the refrigerator, and then you drink it twice a day. The only inconvenience with this is that you can't take it to work with you. You can't travel with it because it's now in a gallon. You got to be lugging the gallon around with you. But this tea, I'm gonna tell you what this tea has. It has permission leaves, holy thistle, marva leaves, marshmallow, blessed thistle, papaya, myrrh, chamomile, and ginger. If you guys know what myrrh is in the Bible. If you guys know what chamomile is, it helps you to sleep. If you guys know what ginger is for detoxing and helping your body, clear out all the gook, like its own antibiotic. Blessed thistle is also for restoration, right? So this is the original tea that TLC came up with 22 years ago or 20 years ago. TLC been around 1999. And I've been part of the company for about 5 years now, right? So I absolutely love it. I'm building a team. I have a big customer base with TLC. I probably make about $300 to $500 a week passive income just from my people joining and people paying their auto ships every single month. So this is the original tea. Okay, I still love the original tea. I just don't make it anymore because now we have the instant, right? So TLC then said, you know what? We want instant tea. Okay, so instead of people boiling tea now, they can take the tea on the go. Okay, we can now have this and we can go anywhere in the world with this tea. Okay, we can actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can sell, the tea. You can, you can put it in your water, shake it up and drink it. It has the same effect as the original tea. Okay, the original tea helps you detox, cleanse, go to the bathroom and lose weight. This one too, it helps you cleanse, go to the bathroom, and also lose weight. So the ingredients in this tea is so damn small. Dextrin, which is a dietary fiber, cassia abstract, papaya abstract, and chamomile abstract. So it doesn't have all the herbs that this one has. This only has 3 herbs. This has 9. Okay, so some of my customers, they're stuck on this. They don't even want to go to this. They're like, listen, give me my boiling. I'll boil my damn tea for the rest of my life. Fine. But for the people that are more of millennials and we're on the go, we use this. Okay, you put 1 sachet into your bottle, shake it up and drink it. It will make you detox. It will make you go to the bathroom, my friend. So don't think, oh, I'm gonna just drink it and then go hang out with my family. No, drink it before you go to sleep, or drink it on your way home, from work, or if you're home, just drink it, right? Because these teas are very, 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 very powerful. Okay, so this is the original plain detox tea. Okay, it has those 3 herbs in it. Okay, TLC said, oh, CBD is on the rise. Oh, shit. CBD is on the rise. Boom. TLC came out with the CBDT. The CBDT. Okay. So this has the same thing as this, as the cassia. It also has papaya, has CBD, and it also has the chamomile inside of it. And it has 0.03% THC in it, which is virtually none, right? But there's a lot of people that are scared of this tea. Sound crazy, right? There's people that's scared of CBD tea because of the THC in it, right? Because people have jobs and they job do random tests, but this is an herb. Your job is not looking for herbs. Your job is looking for drugs, okay? And THC is in it, but it's so small that you cannot detect it in a drug test, okay? We have a lot of testimonials. You can go on YouTube, Instagram, on people taking a CBD and taking drug tests with their urine and not showing up, okay? So this is the one that has 0.03% of THC in it, and you see the yellow because it also has lemon abstract, okay? Lemon abstract in it. So this literally tastes like lemonade. So when TLC came out with this literally sold out, guys, within hours. I know I bought like at least 25 packs, for real. I bought about 25 packs of this and I sold out myself, right? Because I told you guys I have a customer base, within, Total Life Changes. So I sold out, TLC sold out. Now TLC has the CBD tea back, okay? So this tastes like lemonade. You can drink this cold. You can drink it hot. It also burns parasites. It only has 4 herbs in it, right? You consider, lemon a herb too, right? So let's just say 5 herbs. It has the chamomile, the cassia, the papaya, the lemon abstract, and the CBD, okay, inside of this. This was flying off of the shelves, friends, left and dog on right, okay? So this is the CBD tea with the THC in it. Like I said, some people are scared because of the THC and they don't want to jeopardize their job. So they leave this alone and they go with this. But what I love about Jack Fallon, and the reason that I'm with TLC for so long, is that Jack Fallon is an innovator, right? Jack Fallon, my friends, is an innovator, okay? He doesn't stop. What does that mean? He doesn't stop, okay? He does not stop, okay? He doesn't stop. So, TLC, what was the paper? TLC, this is the newest tea that came out January 31st. This is the new tea that came out January 31st, okay? This is the same as the CBD, right? Except it's a raspberry flavor. It has CBD in it, no THC. It also has the raspberry abstract in it, and it also has the papaya abstract in it, the chamomile abstract in it, and the cassia. So this has 4 herbs as well in this tea, but no THC. So this is the newest tea within TLC. It just came out like 5 days ago. That's why I don't have the physical product, but I just ordered some, so it's coming. Right? So this is the new one without the THC. Now, why is this a game changer, friends? Because now TLC was known, right? TLC was known for having tea with the THC in it. Now, people don't have no excuse. Now you have the CBD with no THC. CBD, guys, what is CBD? CBD helps you sleep. CBD helps you relax. CBD helps calms you. CBD also restores you. CBD also helps get rid of headaches, gets rid of migraines, relieves stress, relieves depression, okay? CBD is for overall health, okay? And when you partner with us in TLC, you will now be able to be a part of the CBD industry because we also have drops, and we also have a cream, and we also have a spray now for your body, where now you can also help your body to glow and look good and look younger. okay? So you can tell somebody that's in TLC because I don't have no makeup on. Look how clear my face is. And I'm 36 years old. Like, I'm not an old lady, but, you know, my face is very clear. My skin is very clear, right? And it's all because, I'm telling you, this CBD is no joke, guys. This also helps you go to the bathroom. Ladies, if you have, like, odors down there, you need CBD tea. If your period is heavy, you need CBD tea. If you don't want the one with the THC in it, baby, then this one right here, guys, is going to be a new wave of money. Every new product that TLC comes out with now is a new way to make new money. Okay, so I already started selling this. I'm going to be giving away samples to people. So I'm be giving out samples. All they got to do is just pay the shipping. If you're not in my area, then I'll just ship it to you. Just pay for the shipping, and I'll be sending out samples so that you can try my new raspberry CBD, no THC tea. Okay, so TLC is always innovating, and now we have daily pay. So if someone bought some original tea from me right now, I'll get paid tomorrow. If someone bought me some tea tomorrow, I get paid the next day. We get paid weekly, we get paid monthly, and we get paid daily. And you can get paid hourly if you're doing an event or if you're in the street, right? And you're hustling the tea, right? See, this is a good hustle too. Right, so if someone that's a hustler or used to hustle drugs, this tea, the original tea, the CBD tea, and the regular CBD tea, now literally, guys, is a hustle. All right, so if you lost your job, don't get discouraged. Join TLC and start hustling some tea. There's people making $1,000 a day hustling tea. There's people making $500 a day hustling tea. There's people making $90,000 a week building a team, building a customer base, and hustling tea. Never in my life, guys, I thought that I would make money selling tea. I never in my long-legged life, thought that I'd be making money selling tea. Tea been around since Jesus. Okay? So I never thought. Right? So again, friends, those are the 3 instant teas. And then we have the original. So TLC has 4 teas now. When I first got into TLC, they only had this one. Now, when you get into TLC, now they have 4 different teas that you can now present to your people. This one tastes like green tea. This one tastes like lemonade. This one tastes like water. And this one tastes like raspberry. So now you have a plethora of products to get involved with. You have a plethora of information to now tell your clients. And if you join me, how it works, TLC is $50 to join, all right? But it's only $50 to get the business kit, right? You got to pay at least $40 a month. You start at $50, and then you pay at least $40 a month to get at least 1 product. Really, TLC wants you to get at least 3 products a month. But if you only can afford 1 product, so you pay $40 a month, just use a credit card and make sure you stay on your auto ship so you can stay active within TLC. And then you come in at $50, and then you add 5 packs of these, 4 packs of these, 6 packs of these, some nutraburst, so you can really end up spending up to $500, $600, $1,000. With TLC, even though it's $50 to get started, but it won't get you any product. Okay, you got to add the product. So depending on whatever your budget is, let's just say your budget is $500, then you start with $50, and then you add as many products as you want, to the cart, and then you check out, and now you have enough product to be able to sample, give out to your customers, give out to your family members, give out to your coworkers, your church mates, the football team, the dance team, moms, whatever. Right. So this is the place to be. The best MLM, multi-level marketing company to be a part of, guys, is health and wellness, right? We're in the beginning of the year. Everybody want to lose weight. Everybody want to go to the bathroom. Everybody want to feel good, right? So everybody's thinking about that. Everybody think about the summertime now. I want to get summertime fine. Okay, well, now you can be a part of a company because people are spending money on supplements every day. This is $1 billion industry. CBD is $1 billion industry. TLC is going to $1 billion. Are you going to be a part of it so that you can get some of this money? Like I said, I make about $300 to $500 a week within TLC, just by itself. In my back office of TLC, guys, I made $50,000 just recruiting people online on YouTube. Okay, literally, because I'm not like a big network marketer. I'm a digital marketer. So I don't really just go do home parties and stuff like all the leaders, and they do home parties and they travel here and there. No, I do videos and people sign up. I do Instagram lives and people sign up. That's how I made my 40 grand, my back office. Now, do I have tea on hand? Absolutely. If I go out, if I'm traveling, I'm sampling my tea, or I'm giving my tea out, or I'm selling my tea. So I don't know how much cash I made, honestly. You know, I could have made 20, 30 grand in cash in the last 5 years with TLC. And in the back office, made 50 grand. And now my PayPal account, how much I make, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But you can make a lot of money with TLC. As long as you're willing to plug in, you're willing to go to the events, you're willing to learn the products, you're willing to become a product of the product, you're willing to understand how business works, and you're in it for the long term. Right? So again, I just gave you the breakdown of the 4 different T's that TLC had. TLC is amazing. We've been around 22 years. There's people trying to duplicate us and they can't win. Now we got the daily pay. We're the only freaking network marketing company, guys, that got daily pay. And we got the CBDT, 2 CBDTs. We're the only network marketing company. And we got a face spray and a cream and a drops. We got 5, almost 6 CBD products right now in TLC, right? So I'm passionate about TLC. Nobody can tell me shit that TLC don't work or TLC's a scam and blah, blah, blah. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I know what TLC done for me, and I know what it done for my family. My husband's on auto ship, my aunt's on auto ship, my cousin, she about to get back on her auto ship because she was pregnant. She about to get back on her auto ship. My grandmother's on auto ship. I'm about to get my sister on this tea because she want to lose weight. She about to be on auto ship. Tell your family to practice group economics. Your mom wants to lose weight, get on auto ship for your tea. It works. Your dad want to lose weight, let his ass get on auto ship. Let him pay you $50 a month, right? Because they're looking for products to lose weight with anyway. So why not come to you? Why not come to you? Right? And if you join my team and you come in at the $299 or more, I'm going to give you how to make money online course that I sell for $1,000, right? But if you join me, I'll show you how I do YouTube videos. I'll show you how I do Instagram. I'll show you how, I do marketing. I'll show you what tools I use to build my lists and my websites. So you get on board, or you get your ass into this digital money for real, right? So go to cbdhealthoil.net. Get yourself involved, guys, with something, okay, that is bigger than you, that can help you go to the next level and also make you feel good, right? Sleep better, guys, and help others across the world. All I'm doing, guys, is getting myself healthy so I can help others get healthy, and I'm getting paid. TLC is a divine business. God ordained this. God wants you to help people. Now it's time to get on board. So cbdhealthoil.net.